Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural channel. Well, this is my daughter and we are going to use the Revair to straighten our hair or actually to blow it out. So our hair, if you guys are into typing, it's like type 4B, 4C. So this is what it looks like before we add to wash it. I'm going to put our hair into sections and I washed our hair, shampooed it, and deep condition it in this section. So now I am putting in my moisturizer, which also acts as a leave-in conditioner. This is a moisturizer that we both have been using. It's from Beautify by Chana. You can look at the description area to see how I use it on my girl's hair. So make sure you moisturize the hair really well. Using some form of leave-in conditioner works great, but you don't want to put too much products. So after I've finished moisturizing our hair, you can see I started working on the ends. Then I worked on the length of the hair because the ends are the most fragile. So next I am going to take the Play It Straight. This is from Revair. It's one of their sealant. This works really well to protect the hair and kind of lock in the moisture even more. With this one I am also adding the primer and just spraying the hair primer all over our hair to further protect it. Now after doing that, you want to just make sure you squeeze everything in and let it penetrate. Next, I'm going to be putting our hair into a high puff, and that's so that I don't miss any sections. As you have seen, I already sectioned our hair into about 3 inches by 3 inches square, and this is the Revair. And the Revair, more details about the Revair, you can see it by clicking that link over there. But this is the Revair, and I put it on heat, which it signifies by that 2 lines on the area. So the level I'm using is level 5 for her, but apparently a stylist, actually I believe a stylist goes up to level 7. I'm also using my Tresemme heat protectant. Always use a heat protectant regardless. Now all you just do is you just put the hair into the nozzle and you wait about 7 to 9 seconds. You can wait 10 seconds or so, but I just wanted our hair to be a light blowout look. I didn't want it to be super straight, but as you can see, it looks really good. So I did make her change her shirt so that you guys will be able to see her hair better. So she just changed to that white shirt, and we just repeat the same thing, walking in sections. You want to also detangle the hair, guys, before you use the Revair. So then you just wait and then you just pull it out. No stress, no tension. So let me tell you a little bit about the Revair. The reason why the Revair is different from any other hair dryer is because it reverses the heat. It doesn't put the heat directly on the hair. It kind of does this reversing action or technology, and it's a good investment, especially if you have kids that are tender-headed. The only time you'll be detangling the hair is before you put the Revair in there. So you see me working out the kinks. Please subscribe. You see me working out the kinks from my hair after I've applied the heat protectant, so that all the heat protectant gets onto the hair. You see how much shrinkage she has. Then you just want to take her hair and just feed it into that nozzle, and that's about it. You don't have to do much of anything. So let me show you again. You feed it into the nozzle and then you hold it for 7 to 10 seconds. You don't want to hold it too long. There's really no reason why. And as you release it, make sure you touch the hair to make sure that it's fully dried up. So this step, and this usually takes about 30 minutes, even less if I'm not jabbering my mouth too much and talking to my daughter. But it's so convenient, you guys. It's like a low tension. It doesn't even feel as if I'm blow drying their hair. So the Revair, they do sales all the time, and if you're watching this in May of 2021, they're doing a sale right now. But you can see how It looks, you can look down. I have a coupon code that you can also use to get your own. And this is what our hair looks like. And because our hair tangles up easily after I stretched it out with the blow dryer, with the Revair, I also put her hair into this twist. So you see, it gives her a fuller look. It gives her this voluptuous look. And our hair is going to be twisted up, but she's going to twist up her hair, not me. But this kind of gives her easy manageability with her hair. And this is what her hair looked like before. You can see it shrunken up, and afterwards, this is what it looks like. So if you guys want to use the Revair, feel free to use my coupon code, and my link is in the description area. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and we'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.